Chapter 1. Understanding Financial Markets. Part 1. Introduction to different financial markets, Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the intricate world of financial markets. In this chapter, we will embark on an extensive journey to comprehend the complexities of three major categories of financial markets: Forex, foreign exchange, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. By the end of this chapter, you'll have an in-depth understanding of these markets, enabling you to make informed decisions as you begin your trading journey. Forex, foreign exchange market, the largest and most liquid market in the world. The Forex market, often referred to as FX, is the globe's largest and most liquid financial market. It is the place where currencies from around the world are traded. Here is a comprehensive look at the Forex market. Currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs, and the first currency in the pair is the base currency, while the second is the quote currency. For instance, in the EUR-USD pair, the EUR euro is the base currency, and the USD US dollar is the quote currency. Major, minor, and exotic pairs. Forex offers a wide array of currency pairs. Major pairs involve the most traded currencies globally, such as EUR-USD, USD-JPY, and GBP-USD. Minor pairs encompass currencies from smaller economies, and exotic pairs involve one major currency and one from a less common economy, like the USD TRY, US dollar, Turkish lira. 24-hour market. Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, spanning different time zones. It begins in Asia and then moves to Europe and North America. The continuous nature of the market means that traders can participate at their convenience. Leverage and margin. Forex brokers often offer leverage, allowing traders to control larger positions with a relatively small amount of capital. While leverage can amplify profits, it also increases the potential for significant losses. For example, with 101 leverage, a trader can control a $100,000 position with a $1,000 deposit. Market participants. The Forex market features a diverse range of participants, including central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, multinational corporations, and retail traders. Each group brings different motivations and influences to the market. Stock market. Investing in company ownership. The stock market, also known as the equity market, allows individuals to buy and sell ownership shares, stocks, in publicly traded companies. Here's a comprehensive look at the stock market. Ownership and dividends. When you purchase a stock, you become a shareholder in the company. This means you have a stake in the ownership of the company and are entitled to a portion of its profits in the form of dividends. Stock exchanges. Stocks are traded on organized stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, and others. These exchanges provide a regulated and transparent environment for buying and selling stocks. Diversification. One of the key advantages of stock investing is the ability to diversify your investments. By holding a portfolio of stocks across different sectors and industries, you can reduce risk. For example, you might invest in technology stocks, healthcare stocks, and energy stocks to spread your exposure. Long-term investment. Stock investing is typically associated with a longer time horizon. Investors often aim to benefit from a company's growth over several years. For example, investing in a technology company like Apple with the expectation of its products gaining widespread adoption. IPOs and secondary offerings. Stocks can be bought during initial public offerings, IPOs, when a company first goes public. Later, companies may offer additional shares in secondary offerings to raise more capital. Cryptocurrency market. The digital frontier of finance. Cryptocurrencies represent the cutting edge of financial markets. These digital assets are built on blockchain technology, and they offer a unique set of characteristics. Here's a comprehensive look at the cryptocurrency market. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority like a government or central bank. Instead, they rely on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger system. Volatility and speculation. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. For example, Bitcoin, BTC, has experienced tremendous price swings over its history. This volatility can provide traders with substantial profit opportunities but also carries a heightened risk of loss. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is at the core of cryptocurrencies. It's a distributed ledger technology that records all transactions across a network of computers. The transparency and security of blockchain make it an innovative force in the world of finance and beyond. Proliferation of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are the most well-known cryptocurrencies, but there are thousands of others, often referred to as altcoins. Examples of altcoins include Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and Cardano, ADA. Each has unique features and use cases. Exchanges and wallets. Cryptocurrencies are traded on specialized cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. To store cryptocurrencies, traders use digital wallets which come in various forms such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile wallets. Comparing the markets. Each of these markets offers unique attributes and opportunities. Forex is favored for its high liquidity and accessibility. Traders can open and close positions rapidly, making it a popular choice for beginners. Stocks offer the allure of owning a piece of well-established companies with the potential for long-term growth and dividend income. Cryptocurrencies represent a digital revolution, with opportunities for speculative trading and the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. As you embark on your trading journey, your choice of market will depend on your trading goals, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. In the following chapters, we will delve even deeper into each market, equipping you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate and succeed in the world of trading.